Hey everyone, welcome back to aIfinder. Today, I've got something truly powerful for all the builders, indie developers, and product designers watching. Meet Paraflow, your brand new AI product design agent. It's a platform that helps you go from a single idea to full product design, documentation, UI, and even GitHub export automatically. So if you've ever wished that design, specs, and UI could just build themselves, you're going to love this walkthrough. Let's dive in. Once you log into Paraflow, you land on a clean dashboard. From here, you can start a new design project or simply import an existing one from your files or Figma. With one click, you enter an infinite canvas. Think of it like Notion meets Figma meets ChatGPT, where everything you imagine starts to take shape visually. Let's say I pick redesign a task management app. That's all I type, one line. And from that simple input, Paraflow starts building the entire product context for me. Then, it auto-generates two foundational documents: product charter, a summary of what your product is and who it's for; user persona, a detailed profile of your target audience. From there, Paraflow automatically produces PRDs, user flows, and screen plans, all connected logically to your initial prompt. It's like having a senior product manager, UX writer, and designer, all rolled into one AI. For example, I asked Paraflow to design a focus tracking app for students. It instantly gave me a clean feature list, Pomodoro timer, progress analytics, gamification, flowcharts of how the user will move between screens, and a visual layout plan ready for UI design, all without touching a single Figma file. Once the plan looks good, Paraflow jumps into the visual design stage. It creates style guides, colors, typography, button shapes, all matching your product's tone. Then, it auto-generates UI screens based on your earlier screen plans. The coolest part? Every element is editable, right there on the infinite canvas. Let's say I don't like the primary color or a button placement. Instead of dragging pixels manually, I just ask, make the theme more futuristic with glowing accents, or remove the extra sign up button and rebalance spacing. And Paraflow handles everything instantly. No broken layouts, no manual cleanup. For example, in one project, I deleted a button manually and an empty space. So instead, I just said, "Hey Paraflow, remove the bar and adjust layout balance." It did it perfectly. It's design without the mess. When your UI looks ready, just say, "Generate a prototype." Paraflow builds a live interactive prototype, complete with clickable buttons and transitions, so you can test the user journey right away. You can also tweak small UI things, like text size, corner radius, or fill color, directly in Paraflow, without switching between apps. It feels like a full design studio powered entirely by AI. Now, for developers, this part is pure gold. Once your design is finalized, just hit sync to GitHub, and Paraflow packages everything: specs, documentation, and design assets directly to your repo. This bridges your design and development workflow in one click. No more sending files, screenshots, or waiting for dev handoff. Now let's talk about two bonus features that really make Paraflow stand out. You can upload an image, like a screenshot of another app, and ask Paraflow to generate multiple layout variations. It studies the structure and instantly gives you new layout ideas, including mobile-friendly versions. You can also import a live web page and edit it visually. Every element becomes editable: text, buttons, sections, like you're talking to your web designer. You can easily change your text's font, size, weight, color, and even its alignment, all in just a few clicks, giving your design a clean and professional look. I tested it with a landing page and said, "Move the CTA button slightly left and align the header properly." Feels like working with a smart intern who listens and learns. So, here on this platform, you'll also find predefined projects along with detailed tutorials. These tutorials are really well explained and walk you through everything step by step. From understanding the project structure to actually implementing it. What's great is that you can view and explore these projects directly from here, without any extra setup. It's super convenient because you can see how everything works in real time while following along with the tutorials. Whether you're a beginner trying to learn the basics or someone looking to explore advanced features, these tutorials make it really easy to understand how to use the project effectively. So, if you want to learn quickly and practically, this is definitely one of the best places to start. Imagine an AI tool that turbocharges your UX design process. This is Paraflow, where your ideas turn into complete prototypes with the power of AI. Start free or go pro and unlock 2,500 monthly credits for high-fidelity project creation. Design faster, smarter, with Paraflow. So, that's Paraflow, the AI-powered product design agent that takes you all the way from an idea to a design to a prototype and even straight to GitHub, all in one seamless visual workflow. It's fast, beautifully structured, and surprisingly fun to use. No endless tabs, no messy handoffs, just you, your idea, and Paraflow bringing it to life step by step. If you're someone who loves building, designing, or just experimenting with new ideas, this tool is definitely worth a try. Head over to paraflow.com and start designing your next big product idea today. And hey, if you love discovering tools like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Finder, where we help you find the smartest AI for your next big idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.